Welcome to Tallo. Today we'll walk you through how to complete the Preferences section on your Tallo profile. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the Profile tab and select Preferences. Here we have recommended sections for you to continue to build out your profile and make it as robust as it can be so that you can connect with the best opportunities. So the first top part is called College Preference. So select the plus button. You can add the location preference here and fill in these fields. The colleges I'm interested in are, the majors I am interested in are, class flexibility preferences, campus type preferences, school type preferences, school size, student life preferences, and athletic conference preferences. Once all of this is completed, you'll select Save Content. Beneath that, under the Preferences tab, you also have an opportunity to put some career preferences down and share what kind of careers or industries you're interested in, along with your ideal work culture. Select the pencil icon to edit this section. Here you can add any industries that you are interested in, any careers that you're interested in, what are your employer culture preferences, work flexibility preferences, and company size. Once this is complete, select Save Content. Good luck and enjoy the journey on Tallo.